Oh, what's up, everyone? This is your boy Jermaine back with another video, back with another 360 video. So feel free to watch this with your Oculus. Make sure if you're watching this on an iPhone that you cut it all the way up to 4K. And now we'll start the tour. We're just out on this pier. I don't know the name of this pier. I think this is like, I don't know, let me look on Google Maps really fast. But feel free to look around, and as we go farther this direction, the downtown will be more visible. Right now we can't really see it because we're close up on it. But as we continue to walk, we will get farther and farther away. This is Pier 7. So we're just exploring Pier 7. It's a pretty cool pier. During Fleet Week, this would have been a great pier to come out and watch the planes on. But during Fleet Week, they close off the pier. And my guess is they do that because there would be too many people on the pier. And it's made out of wood. And you wouldn't want to have any problems. So they just close it off completely. I've noticed whenever there's a lot of people on the wharf, like July the 4th, it's usually closed then too. Because it's like I say, it would just be way too many people trying to come out and explore. And this is a great place to, this is an excellent place to explore on yeah, it's a great place to explore, especially if there's, you know, a light show or an air show or something like that. We got this old boat over here, and as you can see, we're getting farther and farther away from downtown. And then the farther out, more and more we'll be able to see. Looks like the traffic is moving quite slow on the bridge over there. Now, today is a gorgeous day in October of 2023. Gorgeous day. The pier's not too busy. We'll go down to the end and then we'll just make a loop and go back down, because this is cool. Exploring the pier is always fly. Yeah, it definitely gets a little bit windier out here. It feels great right now. It's definitely on the chilly side. A light jacket would be ideal right now, but if you're in the sun, it'll heat up. But it's still pretty. It's a little chilly. I was a little sweaty, so I took off my hoodie, put it in my backpack. There's always lots of people fishing here. I noticed too. It's a pretty popular place. I don't know if I've ever been to the end. Maybe I've been halfway down, but I don't know if I've actually been here before. Over here, we have Angel Island. Right there, Angel Island. And then we have Treasure Island. You can't really see Alcatraz from here. But now since we get to the end, we can see downtown here. You got the bridge there. Some ferries cruising out. So much to look at in a video like this. So much to see. So I'm gonna head towards the end here. So now we see, if you have the camera turned around, you can see the city here, and the city is just looking great. I mean, it's quiet in the city right now. It's a Thursday, not too much going on. It's quiet, but it's a gorgeous day. It's not too windy yet. It's around 12. Let's see, I guess I can check the phone and see. 12:05 actually. So I was 5 minutes off. Gosh. Beautiful day. You know, I really enjoy the foggy days in the city. But days like today, I can't complain about a day like today. I can't say, oh, I wish it was foggy. I mean, maybe if it was like 90 degrees, I would probably be wishing it was foggy, especially 90 degrees for the 4th day in a row. I would scrim for some fog, but right now, no, this is good. And then it's heating up now. Later in the afternoon, we could have the fog roll in, and then it will be foggy before sunset. Like, it won't be a sunset because the fog will cover the skies. But my guess right now is the other side of the city is probably foggy. Like, if I went over to Presidio or Ocean Beach, my guess is it would be foggy over there. And the reason why I say that is because it's so crisp right now. You know, I just feel like the fog is just not right here. It's just right over the hills, you know, right on the other side of the city. I love these little round walkways you can go in, and you can like walk through. It's pretty cool. If you're standing here smoking on this side, the wind is blowing this way. Super cool. Alright, so looks like we're getting towards the end. The Exploratorium is right over here, I believe. And the Exploratorium is always busy during the week. That's the most busy thing down here is the Exploratorium. Always, like, you know, kids going there, field trips and stuff like that. It's always busy. And right now I see it's all cleared out. Earlier it was packed over there. Yeah, but anyway, we'll wrap this one up. Thanks a lot for watching. If you guys like the 360 videos, let me know. I'll keep making them. But for now, I'll see you later. Bye bye.